want me to talk at all or no?
It's running, Phil.
I know.
Do what you wish.
Alright. Well, we're on our way to the Veterans Memorial Car Show. Here we are sitting in the driveway.
Let's start backing up.
Let's start backing up.
Can't get to the car show unless you get back up.
Alright, here we go.
Watch out for the trees.
Wait a minute. Alright, here we are backing out of our driveway. Always fun. Damn, Norman, look.
Drive much?
Not lately.
I see that.
Not with this car.
I'd wait.
I am waiting.
I'd wait some more.
Yeah, I know. Shit. Sorry about that. Alright, we got a clearing. Well, we supposedly had a clear coming up. Let's see which way this guy goes. Oh, good. Alright, we're out in the street.
Let's go.
Here we go. We got a green light, Homer. We're still going.
That's a good thing, Phil.
Whoops, Mustang. Alright, here we are behind all the slow pokes here. Here. Hey, Norman.
Hey, Phil.
Got a red light. Oh, shit. Whoa.
Stop, Phil.
Yep. No problem. Here we go. Hello.
Hello. Gonna be corny.
I know, a little bit corny.
Yeah.
How much time have you used up?
Like 3, almost 4 minutes.
Okay. That's not too bad. Tell you what, when we get to the bridge, you can shut it off. That'll be good. Make sure, like, you go back to shutter release there before you shut it off. Whoa, here we go again.
Helps pay attention.
Some of these instant stops here.
People are out for their Sunday drive.
I see that.
Maybe they're all going to the car show.
Well, about 5 cars in front of us is like a 50 Ford. Did you see it?
No, can't see it.
It's a gold one. Can't see it from here. When the road angle's right, you can see it. That's what I'm talking about.
Little get up and go, and color is gone.
Color is gone. We'll pass all the slow pokes here. The guy's watching us right there. See that?
No, I'm busy.
Okay.
What do I do?
Hit the shutter thing. So it
What
goes back,
shutter?
like you're gonna take a picture, hit the shutter thing.
Up top.
Yeah, up top, hit that. So it goes back to picture taking mode.